How to buy Trumpius Maximus. Yes, so before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, this is the token X page. As you can see, so go and check their X account and keep following their updates about this token, and make sure to check also their Telegram channel. They included too in their X account. Now after that, now go and open your DexScreener account. If you don't have an account, go and create one. So this token is available on DexScreen, as you can see. Now here, as you can see, it's increased by 9,000% in the last 24 hours, and the last 5 minutes from now it increased by 22%. Now as you can see, the 99% of liquidity is locked. As you can see, that means your investment in the safe place. As you can see, this token is under Ethereum network, and now go and copy this token address and go and open your wallet. For this I will use Bitget wallet. Now go to your wallet and now switch or select the Ethereum as a network. Now click on plus icon. Now paste the token as you can see. Now this is our token. Just go and click on plus. Now go back to your wallet to find the token. Now just scroll down. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it and click on swap. Now click switch here and now select the token that you want to buy with. For example, USDT. Make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now type here how much you want to buy. And as you can see, this is how much you will receive of that token. Just click on buy and you will buy this token in your wallet. So this is how to buy the Trumpius token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.